Hello, my name is Cynthia Sandler. You may already know me as North Salem Middle School High School's Library Media Specialist. And this year I am very excited to be your child's media literacy teacher. In my opinion, learning to read the media is one of the most critical skills we all need to develop. And as you may have already found out yourself, it is not easy, even for adults. Our young digital natives might be able to flip between Snapchat and TikTok while uploading a video and texting a friend. When it comes to evaluating information online, they are easily duped. In this class, we will examine, interpret, and evaluate the messages that media contains. We will learn concrete strategies for asking questions about the intended audiences and discover the underlying purposes of media messages. We'll assess factors which can contribute to bias and affect credibility. As Sam Weinberg from Stanford University says, our students are speeding along the information superhighway without a license. Before letting them loose, let's at least make sure they've passed the driver's test. We've already gotten off to a great start of our journey. Media literacy class meets every other day for one semester. The classes pass-fail, and I will usually not assign homework, so student participation in class discussions and successful completion of class activities and projects are essential. I can always be reached at my school email at csandler@northsalemschools.org. And please don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. The skills your children will learn this year in this class will not only make them better students, but more informed citizens, able to participate in our democracy in an educated and responsible way. And I hope they will share their skills with others, including you. It's going to be a great semester. Thank you.